If you've got a pile of scrap fabric and no idea what to do with them, then let me show you how to make these cute heart-shaped petal placemats. They're beginner friendly, quick to sew, and they're a lovely way to use up those little scrap pieces. You'll need 6 pieces of fabric for the petals, and these should be at least 6 inches by 7 inches. You could choose 6 different prints or maybe 2 or 3. It all depends on what fabric you have in your stash and how you want the finished look to be. For this project, I'm using the 60-degree Heart Acrylic Templates by Debbie Shaw Sewing, but I'll leave the measurements of the heart in the description box below if you want to draw your own template. So here I'm just picking out my fabrics and making sure they're all pressed. And then what you need to do is lay out your fabric and put the template on top, and then you draw around the shape using an erasable pen. Then, using a sharp pair of scissors, you can cut out this shape. Then repeat this process with the remaining fabrics until you have 6 heart shapes cut out. Next, you want to arrange your hearts in a circle, lining up the long sides. So have a play around with the colour placement until you're happy with how the placemat's going to look. Then we're going to sew these together in 2 halves. So take the bottom 3 and then place the hearts with the right sides together, lining up that long edge. And then sew using 1/4 inch seam allowance. Open them out and then sew that 3rd heart to the other side of the middle one. So now that bottom row is finished and we can sew the top 3 together in the same way. Now take these over to your iron and press the seams flat. Now taking these 2 halves, we're going to place them with right sides together, lining up that middle edge. And you want to make sure here that the points of the hearts all meet in the middle, and so that the seams are all lined up. Then sew in place again with that same 1/4 inch seam allowance. And this is how it should be looking. Now go back to the iron and press that seam flat. Next you're going to need a piece of wadding. I'm using 80/20 wadding, and this is one I normally use with my quilts. So I've got just the right amount left over to make a few of these placemats. So lay your heart shapes on top of your wadding and pin them to the wadding. And with those sharp scissors again, you can cut out the shape of the hearts from the wadding so that it's the same size. For the back, you'll need 2 pieces of fabric, each measuring 14 inches by 7 inches. Place these 2 fabrics with right sides together and sew along one long end. And then take your iron and press this seam open. We are going to unpick part of this seam later, so pressing it open makes it easier to do so. Now place your backing fabric with the right side facing up, and then take your heart shape and place that with the right side facing down so the 2 fabrics are right sides together. You'll want to line up the centre point of the hearts with the seam of the backing fabric and pin this in place. Then once you're ready, sew around the edge of the heart shape, attaching the backing to the front. Use the 1/4 inch seam allowance as before, and when you sew round and down into that point, lift the foot and pivot the fabric underneath. Carefully sew around the entire edge of the heart shapes. Once that's all sewn in place, we can trim back the backing fabric so that it's the same size as the heart shapes. When you come to those points again, snip into the seam allowance without snipping through the stitches. This will make the heart shape sit flat when we turn it the right side out. Now flip the placemat over, and what we need to do is unpick a small opening in this seam. So using a seam ripper, unpick a few stitches on the back, and the opening needs to be about 3 inches long. And once you're ready, you can turn the placemat through that opening so that it's the right side out. Push out each of the hearts individually, making sure that they sit flat. You may need to go back in and snip into that seam allowance a bit deeper if it's looking a bit puckered. So take your time making sure that it's right. Then give your placemat a good press. Then sew the opening at the back closed by hand. To finish, top stitch around the edge of the hearts, close to the edge, to make it neat. You could also quilt the entire thing as well if you'd like. I have done so by sewing down both sides of each seam of the hearts. Repeat the process and make as many as you need for your table. And that's it, you've made your heart-shaped placemat. I'd love to see what you make, so tag me with @WhatKimberlyMakes on Instagram and Facebook if you make anything using my tutorials. If you enjoyed this project, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of these fun and easy sewing tutorials. Thanks for sewing along, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!